In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable self-serve returns in Shopify, a fantastic feature for those who want to provide their customers with a seamless return experience. If you're managing a Shopify store, you know how crucial customer satisfaction is, and offering an easy return process can really boost that aspect. So let's walk through the steps together to set this up in your store. First off, you'll need to head over to your Shopify admin panel. This is your go-to hub for managing your store operations. Once you're there, you'll see the main dashboard. This is where you're likely familiar with tasks such as order management or checking your store's performance. From the dashboard, look towards the lower end of the sidebar and find the Settings option. Clicking on this will open a new world of options that allow you to customize and control various aspects of your store. It's like the control room of your operations. Within Settings, there's a section dedicated to customer interactions and management, which is exactly where we need to go. Now that you've clicked into Settings, navigate to the Customer Accounts section. Enabling customer accounts is where shoppers can create and log into their accounts, which not only enhances their shopping experience, but also gives them easy access to previous orders and, importantly, simplifies the returns process. As you enter the Customer Accounts page, look for the option labeled Self-Serve Returns. Clicking on this feature brings a touch of empowerment to your customers, granting them the autonomy to initiate return requests on their own, all through their account page. This removes the extra step of contacting you directly, making it easier on both ends. Once you're in the Self-Serve Returns section, you'll find the toggle or settings needed to activate this option. Most of the time, it's just about turning the feature on, but take a moment to explore any additional settings or parameters you might want to adjust. This could involve setting conditions, like which kinds of items are eligible for returns, or deciding if there's a time limit after purchase for a return to be valid. And there you have it. You've enabled self-serve returns on your Shopify store. It's a straightforward process that packs a punch by enhancing your customer service capabilities. Remember, an effortless return policy can increase customer loyalty, potentially driving repeat business. Thanks for following along in this tutorial on enabling self-serve returns in Shopify. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out our other videos for more tips on optimizing your e-commerce store. Until next time, happy selling! Happy